Welcome to the Spheria Small and Microcap Insights. My name's Mark Cormack from Pinnacle Investment. Pinnacle are equity partners and work alongside Spheria to distribute their Spheria Small and Microcap funds in the Australian financial advisory marketplace. Today, I'm joined by Spheria's two founders, Marcus Burns and Matthew Booker.
So Spheria is a recently formed boutique asset management firm specialising in investing in small caps and microcap equities. Why should people consider investing in microcaps? Well, we think that microcaps is a very large universe by stock numbers, but very poorly covered by the investment community, both in the sell side and buy side. And therefore, we think there's many opportunities to invest in that space if you apply the right disciplines to investing. So we've found that there are many stocks that meet our criteria, which include excellent cash flow generation, really good balance sheets, and attractive valuations. And in many cases, on top of those three things, there's a founder owner who's got all that sort of entrepreneurial spirit and drive that can usually lead to a strong outperformance from shares. And we think that blending a good portfolio in that space will give investors a really good, good return over time.
In microcaps, we're looking for businesses that can generate free cash flow. And by that, we mean companies that generate operating cash flow after all expenditure, including CapEx. We believe that companies are simply worth the present value of future cash flows, and that we can eventually value a company based on that premise. Yeah, the microcap sector's been under a lot of pressure in the last 3 to 6 months. We've seen significant underperformance relative to large caps if you look at the index performance. We think that what's transpired is that a lot of the large cap managers which have ventured into the space have left with poor performance in some of those stocks. And that's created some opportunity in the space. We think eventually you'll see mean reversion in that trade, and you'll see managers come back into the space, you'll see money coming back in, because there isn't now a disconnect between valuations and share prices. So we think there's quite a bit of opportunity in the microcap space. We're finding a lot more ideas than we did 12 months ago, and we're finding we're building a much more diverse portfolio, we believe, that will stand the test of time.
In microcaps right now, we see a variety of opportunities. So the retail sector has been very badly sold off with some softness in the economy and a number of stocks in the retail area warning. And we're going through that space right now and doing a lot of work, and we think there's some really good opportunities that are appearing in one or two stocks that are going to perform particularly well over the next couple of years as they recover. And in addition to that, we've had a very long-term holding in a stock called Class Software, which has done particularly well, and we think will do particularly well the next couple of years. Class is a leading SMSF online provider of information to accountants, which helps them provide tax returns, information for their clients. It's taking market share as the client base moves to the cloud. So leading market share on the cloud, very high recurring revenue streams, great free cash flow conversion, and an extremely strong growth rate. And we think that they're basically beating all the competitors in the space. So that's a core holding of ours in the microcap fund, and we think it'll be a very good performer for the medium term as well.
Thanks guys, there's some really great insights there into the Spheria Small and Microcap approach. The Spheria Small and Microcap funds are both highly recommended with Lonsec and recommended with Zenith. At the moment, the Spheria Small and Microcap funds are also available on most wrap platforms. However, if you're using a platform that we are not available on, please do not hesitate to get in touch with the Pinnacle distribution team. Thanks for your time today, and we look forward to catching up with you either in your office or in our next Spheria Insights video.